Okay, for problems 1 through 3, we're going to determine if the polygon is an enlargement or a reduction, and then graph the dilated figure and write the new coordinates. So I'm going to go ahead and make all of my originals in red, and then I'll write my dilated figures in blue. So today, for number 1, my original A is at 1, 1. B is at 1, 3. And C is at 3, 1. My scale factor is 3. In other words, I'm getting 3 times bigger. So this is going to be an enlargement, and I'm going to multiply every coordinate by 3. So A prime, 3 times 1 is 3. B prime, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. And C prime is 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. And now I'll go ahead and plot my new dilated triangle. So over 3, up 3 is A prime. B prime is over 3, up 9. And remember, prime just means that's the new shape. That's the one that's been changed. And then C prime is 9, 3. For number 2, I'll go ahead and plot over -2, down -2. That's A. B is -1, 2. C is 2, 1. My scale factor is 2, so I'm multiplying every number by 2. In other words, I'm doubling the size, so this is going to be an enlargement. So for A prime, 2 times -2 is -4. For B prime, 2 times -1 is -2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And for C prime, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. And we'll plot that. For number 3, our scale factor is 1/2. So, because of that, I know right away that that's going to be a reduction. It's going to get smaller. So let's go ahead and plot the original over -4, up 6. And B is over 2, up 6. And C is over 0, up 8. So I'm going to multiply everything by 1/2 or 0.5, or of course you can always divide it by 2 if you choose. So this is a reduction. It's going to get smaller. So 1/2 of -4 is -2, and 1/2 of 6 is 3. 1/2 of 2 is 1, 1/2 of 6 is 3. And for C prime, 1/2 of 0 is 0, and 1/2 of 8 is 4. And I will plot those. There's A prime, and B prime, and C prime. For number 4, a rectangle is graphed. What will the coordinates of H prime be if the rectangle EFG is dilated by a scale factor of 4? So we're only going to be looking over here at the original, which is H, And right now, H is plotted at 3, -2. So if the scale factor is 4, that's telling me that I need to multiply both of my coordinates by 4. And so H prime is going to be at 12, -8.